Welcome back to the Finale Masterclass. This time we are talking about a fascinating feature of Finale, the matrix letter shooting.
Finale has some powerful functions to shoot letters in the sky. One of these functions support the matrix letter shooting where a special kind of rack is needed, where you can place single shots with the predefined angles. First thing that you must do to use this function is to select a position. Then place a comet on it. For this example we are using a 2-inch red comet. The inserted effect is automatically selected, so we go on using the function. From the main menu click Script. Then the letter submenu. And for the matrix letter shooting we choose Make into Matrix Letters. In the dialog we specify the letter that we want to shoot. Let's try the character A here and then click the Enter button. On the timeline you see that the effect is duplicated multiple times, all fired at the same time. But if we play it, you might be a little bit disappointed, because the letter is shot up straight in the sky and so we could not recognize it from our perspective as letter A. To change this, we only had to pitch the position a little bit. To do so, make a right click on the position and choose Edit Position Properties from the context menu. Enter a value of, let's say, 45 in the pitch field and press the Enter button. If we play it again, we see a wonderful letter A in the sky.